Point number 6. Do not break the word within a pada. This is illustrated by the following verse. Sanjaya uvacha drishtva tu pandavanīkam vyūdham duryodhanastada acāryamupasangamya raja vachanam abravīd. Drishtva tu pandavanīkam is it pada 1. Vyūdham duryodhanastada. It is pada number 2. Acāryamupasangamya is pada 3. Raja vachanam abravīd. It is pada number 4. Acāryamupasangamya. It should not be pronounced as Acārya upasangamya. No. Acāryamupasangamya. Similarly, Raja vachanam abravīd. Raja vachanam abravīd. It's not Raja vachanam abravīd. No. Again. Drishtva tu pandavanīkam vyūdham duryodhanastada acāryamupasangamya raja vachanam abravīd.